Hello everyone. So welcome again to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the important questions asked in the interview, that how to write a program to reverse the order of the words. Suppose their input is given as learning Python is very easy. Then what is the expected output? Expected output is reverse of the each and every orders. So easy will become first, very will become second, then is, then Python, then learning. So basically we are going to write in the reverse order of each and every words, not the character words. So how we are going to do that? So we are going to write this program. So first of all, we have to take the input from the user. So we are going to take the input how it's possible with the help of input keywords. Enter the statement, right? Enter the statement to reverse of words. Okay. So this will going to provide the input from the users. So we have received s variables which will contain this statement. Now we have to do some kind of modification, some kind of transformation so that we can get the desired output. In that case, first of all, we have to split all the statement based on the space, right? So in that case, the L or like output is s dot is split based on the space. So by default, it will split based on the space which we are going to be enter from the keyboards. Okay, and then whatever the we have received, we are first of all we have to check what is the output. Okay, after the split. So if I'm going to enter and then see what is the output, if this is the input, and then output is okay. So output is basically all the words is into the list. Now it is a very easy to reverse that, right? So how you can do that? We are going to reverse out is equal to out, and then colon hyphen one, right? Colon hyphen one means it is going to start from the starting point and from the end point or reverse order, right? So whatever the things are, items are there in the list, it is going to be in the reverse order, right? So if I'm going to print again this out, correct, and same input is going to provide. Learning Python is very easy, correct? So the first is learning Python is very easy. Each and every words are coming in the same direction, same order. Now this is the reverse. Easy, very. Now this whatever the list we have received, we are going to join based on the space. So in that case, output, final output, okay, final output will become a space dot join and whatever the out we have, right? So this out, this these variables which contain each and every words into the reverse order, we are going to join based on this list item and with having the separator of the space. And if I'm going to print this data output, this will become a string statement. I'm going to print that. See, learning Python is very easy. This was the input items. Now we have reversed that. The next step is easy, very is Python, which is the expected, correct? So now we have got the expected output as required. I hope you understand how you are performing these operations. Okay, thank you so much for joining this video.